Welcome to this charming 4-bedroom, 2.5 baths, colonial-style home located in 4006 North Andover Lane, Fredericksburg, Virginia, 22408. A quiet cul-de-sac in the thriving community of Fredericksburg. Situated just a short drive from I-95 and the VRE Spotsylvania station, making commutes to DC Quantico and Fort Belvoir convenient. Minutes away from Fredericksburg's historic downtown, where you can explore boutique shops, local dining, and cultural attractions. Located near top-rated schools, known for its Commonwealth Governor's School program for gifted students. Enjoy nearby shopping centers like Cosner's Corner, Central Park, and Spotsylvania Town Center, featuring popular stores like Target, Publix, and Marshall's. Spend weekends at Lee Hill Park, Cosner Park, or along the scenic Rappahannock River, perfect for kayaking and outdoor activities. Don't miss the opportunity to make this well-located, spacious home your own. Schedule your private tour today and discover the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and community living. Call 703-474-5578 for more information or to book your showing.